Zach and Jesse. It's Dawn and Marianne at the brand new Florence, South Carolina Tesla Supercharger.
Yep, just north of Florence on I-95.
Yeah, 16 stalls here. And 250 kilowatt.
All version 3. Has a dog walking area right here at the Superchargers. It's at the very front of the parking lot. Unfortunately, the way currently during this new opening, you can't get into here quickly if you're coming northbound. But if you're coming southbound, I think you can get it a little easier, but you have to go all the way down by the gas pumps in the roundabout and then come all the way back up here. But if you stay on either end and avoid the gas pumps, it's much easier to get up to here.
Yeah, there are a ton of gas pumps. It's like 2 double awnings, full length of the building. It's huge. Inside is anything pretty much you could want to eat, but they're known for barbecue and brisket. We had some, and it was good.
And
so
recommend. Feel good, but it was
it was good.
For beef, it was good.
Yeah, lots of coffee and other beverage choices, and candy and clothes and Buc-ee souvenir stuffed animal and deer corn, and yeah, there was everything you could want. And as you can see, like I said, it's brand new and it's packed. It's absolutely packed.
Yeah, great.
I'm only going to give it a 7 out of 10. It's too crowded.
Yeah, I said 9 out of 10 before. I'm going to drop it down. I was hoping it would let up a little bit. I'm going to give it an 8. I mean, if this is where you're going to stop and do a long charge, this is a good place. In other words, you're going to be here for 25 minutes or a 30-minute charge. To your next one, this is good. But if you're just going to do a 10-minute, you need that little 10 or 15-minute charge, I wouldn't say it's worth it, because it's going to be a struggle to get in and out here in 15 minutes.
But do stop in at least once, going north or south on 95, and check out Buc-ee's, especially if it's your first Buc-ee's experience.
Right.
Yeah.
It's worth, if it's your first Buc-ee's, it's worth you should save up and come here.
And it's worth noting there's nothing else within walking distance, so it's Buc-ee's or nothing. Yeah. And it's well lit. There's lots of lights out here. Probably could use a few extra trash cans in the parking lot.
Yeah, they had one by the Supercharger, but
restroom super clean and private, so no problems there.
Yeah. Okay, now you know. Wow, that was kind of interesting, but it wasn't really that long of a wait anywhere, just a minute or so.
It's busy.
It's busy.
Yeah, I was going to say, Buc-ee's puts Black Friday shopping to shame. That if you could survive that, you could survive Black Friday.
The truth.
It's a pound of sliced brisket, because you know we don't chop brisket.
Right, because I figured that would be easier to eat.
Yum.
Yeah.